If you want to collaborate on a CapCut project with friends on PC, this video will show you the quickest way to do it, step by step. Whether you're editing a video together, sharing ideas, or working on a school or content creation project, CapCut makes it pretty easy to invite someone and give them access to your workspace. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the project or workspace. This part is important because you need the right account permissions before you can invite anyone. Once CapCut opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Workspace. On some versions, this may also appear as Spaces, but either way, this is where your shared projects are managed. Inside your workspace, look for the Invite Members icon. This is usually located near the top area of the Workspace panel. Click that icon, and CapCut will give you a couple of ways to add someone. You can either type in your friend's email address directly, or you can generate an invitation link and copy it. If you're adding someone by email, enter the exact email address your friend uses for CapCut or their connected account, then send the invite. If you prefer sharing a link, simply copy the invitation link and send it to your friend through chat, email, or any messaging app you use. Once your friend accepts the invitation, they'll be able to access the project directly inside CapCut. That means they can open the shared workspace, view the project, and start collaborating without you needing to export files back and forth manually. This is a huge time saver if you're working with editors, teammates, or friends on the same video. Now, there is one important thing to keep in mind. CapCut allows only one additional member to join for free in a shared workspace. If you want to collaborate with a larger team, you'll need a CapCut Teams subscription. So if you're only working with one friend, the free option should be enough. But if you plan to build a bigger editing team, it's worth checking the team plan before inviting more people. Also, make sure your friend is using the correct account and is able to access the invitation. If they don't see the project right away, ask them to refresh CapCut or check their email or inbox for the invite link. Once they join, you can both work from the same project and keep everything organized in one place. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate on a CapCut project with friends on PC. It's fast, simple, and a great way to work together without sending files back and forth. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.